Welcome to the course preview for complete guide to still design with STAAD.Pro. STAAD.Pro is an amazing software, and you are going to learn STAAD.Pro from zero, having a zero knowledge about it, to getting to the mastery part of the software, that is to be able to handle the software and use it to design as you wish. So you are going to learn the rudiment of still design using software, using STAAD.Pro with two major real life projects. So what are the things you are going to learn in this software? So this software is actually a practical course. This course is a practical course because you are going to be using two practical projects to understand it. So the first part of the course is you are going to introduce you to what steel is all about as a construction material. So you learn about the pros and cons of using steel for construction. You also learn about the problems associated with steel and the solution you can provide as a structural engineer, as a project engineer or a project manager. Then we now actually dive into the course itself, which is to learn how to use STAAD.Pro. So we introduce you to the STAAD.Pro work environment, how to model on it, and different kind of modeling techniques that you can use. Then because of the project you are working on, so you also learn how to create a general arrangement for a steel structures, because one of the projects we need you to create a general arrangement. Then how to estimate and apply loadings. So this is one of the important part of the software. You need to understand the loadings and how to apply it, combinations and all of that. So, and one interesting part is we are going to add wind loadings, how to include wind loadings on STAAD.Pro. This is important. Then you also learn the design of STAAD.Pro, how to use STAAD.Pro for industrial portal frame design, which is one of the course projects. Then also how to use STAAD.Pro for elevated water tank structures, which is the second project. Then you also learn about STAAD.Pro foundation, how to learn STAAD foundation, how to design STAAD.Pro, how to design foundation with STAAD.Pro. Then you learn about connection design. Some people don't actually know that with STAAD we have a ramp connection package that you can use for your connection design and detailing, and also even export that detailing to AutoCAD. So you are going to cover that in this course. So what are the requirements of the course? You need to have a STAAD.Pro software on your PC. This is important. You can message me personally on that if you don't have it. Then if this course is for you interested in learning steel design, you want to learn about steel structures, you want to learn about connection design, about STAAD.Pro itself, then if you also want to learn about STAAD foundation, because this course covered foundation design with STAAD. So the materials included in the course is a 9 hours on-demand videos. We have software installation. Then we also have course materials and presentations. The course projects, which are the two course projects, you have access to them. Calculation sheets. These calculation sheets are used because sometimes you have to determine some of the loadings manually. So we have calculation sheets on that. Then we have certificate of completion once you're able to complete the course project. The course is for all levels and is very easy to understand. So if you are into learning steel design or you want to learn STAAD.Pro on its own, this course is right for you. I hope you are going to take the course. We meet in the course. Thanks.